Hi, I'm Dr. Adrian House. I'm a double board certified facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon serving the San Francisco Bay Area. With advanced training from institutions such as Boston University and UCSF, we specialize exclusively in cosmetic and reconstructive surgery of the face and neck. I've trained with renowned surgeons in Beverly Hills, and I'm an active member in multiple societies, including the American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. My goal is to enhance natural beauty and restore youthfulness while maintaining your own individuality.
There's been a lot of studies showing that patients who feel more confident and look more objectively attractive get better jobs and higher pay. Botox in general, all it does is weaken the nerve connection to the muscle temporarily. Certain doses in certain locations, it can soften that muscle. So it's essentially softening those things before it happens.
I feel more confident and I feel like my face now matches how I feel. I feel like just lighter in a good way. I feel better, happier. It's so subtle, yet to me, it's made all the change in the world.
When a patient comes here, I really try to give them the absolute best, most cutting edge, latest technology and treatments and techniques that I can come up with.
I was very hesitant going into it. I was a little scared of how it would look like after, that I wouldn't like it, although no, I'm very happy with the result. I didn't expect it to boost my self-confidence this much, but it really did. I can finally express who I really am rather than before.
I really try to make the entire appointment and the entire experience with me about the patient. I'm able to really make an inspirational change in their life and give them confidence again. Nothing brings me more joy than seeing that. At HouseMD Plastics, we walk you through from the initial consultation through a customized treatment plan all the way through the recovery process.